Hey y'all, thank you for coming back to another video. Today we're doing a glueless install with LuvMe hair. This is their all-day comfort glueless wig, 7x6 closure wig with HD lace, and the lace comes pre-cut, of course. This unit comes in natural black, blonde highlight, and blonde ombre highlights. The unit comes with a beauty blender, wig cap, and hair combs. I was going for a very easy and simple look. This past week I was down and out, barely could move. So as I was trying to get back to myself, I felt like this was the perfect wig for me to try out. So this is their all-day comfort wig, no more headaches. It has a 3-level buckle suitable for large, medium, and small heads. So no more doing the guessing games with the what size you actually need to order. Stability up, big head slip, internal structure of the neck cap, naturalness, invisible lace, hairline, natural melting lace, high density, light but yet full. Very much full. I can attest to that. So I've dyed this hair jet black, and it still has the same quality as I dyed it. As before I dyed it. You know, sometimes when you dye it, it ruins the quality. You know, it really just tells you exactly if whether or not the wig is high quality or not. And I would definitely say that this is an amazing quality. You know, it didn't ruin anything. So I'm definitely gonna give y'all a little bit more of a review after about a week of wearing it with the dyed hair, and I'll let y'all know how I feel about it. But I definitely feel comfortable enough to wear the wig with no glue. But the way that I am wearing it now, I'm rocking the glue, and it's made the fit even better. You can wear it either way, you know, however you feel about it. It's top tier. Definitely, highly would recommend this wig.
Oh, hello, Papa.
So this is the final look. I absolutely love this hair, hands down. I would highly recommend it. I'll definitely make sure I leave the link in the description box. My takeaways from this unit: the quality is absolutely out of this world, even after you dye it. I've received the first version of this unit, I believe, and if I do say so myself, I love this one a whole lot more. I've never had the confidence of wearing a wig glueless. But yeah, LuvMe, they done stepped it up. They done figured it out. But the structure of this unit makes it definitely possible to wear it glueless. The hairline gives, oh, this is my hair and it grows out of my scalp. Absolutely. It's comfortable fit. You honestly forget it's a wig because of how secure it is. But overall, this is definitely a wig you can invest in and know you're getting your money's worth. But if you've made it to this portion of the video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video.